Raya pada warrior.
Boys, come. Yes. Come.
चल आप याद रख लो नाम
બનીને આ ભાઈને પેટનો દુખાવો
You see, come. You stop it. One more girl, come. One come. Come before you go. Good. Huh?
નામ પૂછી લેજે હવે તારે નામ બદલાઈ ગયું તારું
Madam, go on, go on, and madam, next one, please. Look at that, please. Good. Huh? Huh?
તમને બી દુખે છે
How many people here?
તમે તો જાતે હિલ કરી શકો છો
Oh, one,
હા તો કરો
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The 16 children here are going to heal 16 adults and one small girl. Sir, translate please. Sir, can you please stand here? Talk to people. Translate please. Your work is translate, not to talk to people.
જુઓ હું તમને જે કહીશ તે તમે સર કહેશે જ્યારે ફરશો ત્યારે રિપીટ કરજો હું તમને
Wait, sir. There are 16 people here.
16 માણસો છે.
Okay? You know their name? You know the name?
યસ
નામ ખબર છે બધાને નામ પૂછી લીધા
નામ
You
બોલવાનું
know the names? Okay? Now, everybody who come here,
તમે જે બધા આવ્યા છો અહીંયા
your pain is 10.
તમારું પેનનું લેવલ એટલે કે દુખાવો માનો કે 10 નંબર છે
All your pain at 10.
10
Understand?
છે
0 is no pain.
0 માં કશું પ્લેન નથી
Your pain will come down. Please put your hand down, madam. You are the, I'm the boss and you're not the boss. That is the pain. Come down, you say 5, 3, 2,
જ્યારે
0.
ઓછું થાય તો તમે રેટિંગ આપજો કે કેટલું ઓછું
Level is 10, whatever level.
અત્યારે 10 પર લેવલ
અત્યારે
Whether stomach pain or hand pain or knee pain, any pain is 10. Understand?
તમારો કોઈ પણ દુખાવો છે ત્યાં માનજો કે 10 લેવલ થયું છે પછી ઘટતું જાય તેમ 5 3 2 0
And you say the pain is coming down. Understand? 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. If it's 10, say it's 10.
10 છે તો 10 કહેજો
Come on, say 10. I don't want to hear any other word.
બીજું કહીશું નહીં આટલું સારું છે એવું નહીં 10 છે
Don't say it's better, it's not there. I don't want. 0 means 0.
સારું
Finish.
લાગે છે થોડું વધારે એવું નહીં ખાલી નંબર
ખાલી
10 થયા 8 થયા 7 થયા ઓછું થયું એટલે ઓછું
Because everybody say their own number.
પોતપોતાના
It's difficult for me.
ખાલી નંબર જ કહેવાના
Now, you know the partner's name?
પાટરસન
Say, healing one.
હિલિંગ વોન્ડ
Madam. Leave it. Healing one.
હિલિંગ વોન્ડ
These children, healing one. Become as powerful as required.
શક્તિશાળી બનીને
No. Let them learn English.
ઇંગ્લિશમાં સર કહેતે
School students. Let them English school. Yes. Healing one.
હિલિંગ વોન્ડ
Become as powerful as required.
become as powerful as
To heal.
to heal
Name. Now.
નામ બોલો
Physical stomach.
physical stomach
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing. Keep on doing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Yeah. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on. Okay. Speed coming down, madam. No. Speed coming down.
બહુ ડાઉન થયો કોઈ
8. Number coming down.
દસ સુધી કેટલું
What number?
કેટલું થયું
10.
10 થી 9 થયું What 9? Still 9. This is not a
9. Not still. 9.
ફેરવતા જા 1 2 3 4 માં ફેરવતી જા અને પછી સ્ટોપ
Keep on
કરવાનું
doing. What number, madam? 5. What number, madam? What number come down? Please tell her.
લેવલ ઓછું થયું છે 10 માંથી કેટલા નથી થયું or 10
Yourself, madam? 8. Yourself? 9. Yourself? 9. Yourself? 5. Yourself? 3. Very good. Keep on doing. What number, madam? Huh? Your number? 5. Your number? 8. Keep on doing. Many people in Gujarat eat a lot of acidic food,
બધું જન
lot of pickles,
જે આવે ઠોસા જ કરે ઠોસા
lot of sugar.
જે આવે તે ઠોસો
The stomach needs a lot of healing.
એટલે આ બધું પેટ ખરાબ થાય
અહીંયા લોકો આપણે ગુજરાતીઓ
Stomach needs a lot of healing. Lot of spicy food. Sometimes your curd is very acid, very sour. Many people eat nimbu.
ઘણા લીંબુ ખાય છે આપણે ગળ્યું વધારે ખાય છે અને પેટને હોજરીને ઘણું હીલિંગની જરૂર છે રૂઝવવાની જરૂર છે
The stomach is very, very acidic.
એસિડિક પેટ આપણું ઘણું એસિડિક થઈ જાય છે એના કારણે
A lot of healing is required.
ઘણું બધું હીલિંગ એટલે કે આ હીલિંગ જરૂરી છે
We can heal you now.
હમણાં હીલિંગ કરી શકશો તમે
Yes, we have.
Go back home and change your food.
તમે ઘરે જઈને તમારો આહાર બદલવો પડશે ખાવાનું બદલવું પડશે
Don't change your food, the pain will always be there.
તમે જો ખાવાનું બદલશો ને તો પાછું પાછું આવી જ જશે
Don't look for medicine.
દવાખાને જવાની જરૂર નથી દવા લેવાની જરૂર નથી
Look what you're going to put inside. What you're going to put inside. Look inside you.
ખાલી ખાઓ છો તેના પર ધ્યાન આપો
How much, my friend? 0. Come in front, madam. Thank you. Yes. What number? 0. Come in front. Come in front here, please. Look in front.
તમે ઉભા રહો
કેટલું છે
5. What number? 6. 0. What number? 1. Keep on doing. You see, children can be good healers. Children can be good healers. Today, I appreciate you teachers who brought the children in today. Give the teachers a big clap. You know why? Children won't come on their own. They won't come on their own. They won't come. Teachers say, come, come, come. They come. Yes or no? But today they learn something.
આજે રોજ તમને બેસાડીને કરે પણ આજે જિંદગીનો એક સારામાં સારી વસ્તુ શીખીને જવાનો છો તમે
Now all you children can go back home and heal your mother and heal your father.
આનાથી તમે બધા મમ્મી પપ્પા દાદા દાદી આજુબાજુવાળા
You want to be good? Don't eat pickles.
અથાણું ને એવું તીખું તીખું ખાવાનું નહીં
You cannot eat pickles. Very acidic.
તીખું આ બધું ખાવાનું નહીં એસિડિક ફૂડ
Don't eat nimbu.
લીંબુ નહીં ખાવાનું બહુ
It's acidic.
બહુ એસિડિક છે શરીર
Affect
બગાડે
your stomach.
શરીર બગાડે પેટ બગાડે
Understand?
ખ્યાલ આવે છે લીંબુ અને અથાણું એ બધું ઓછું
These people can eat. You don't eat. Your stomach is very nice, very small, baby stomach. Don't spoil it.
અત્યારથી તમારું પેટ બગાડશો નહીં મોટા ખાઈ બરાબર છે તમારે ખાવાનું નહીં લીંબુ ઓછું ને તીખું તળેલું
Hello? Understand?
ખ્યાલ આવે છે અથાણું નહીં
Understand?
ખાવાનું જ નહીં આવે છે
Understand?
ખ્યાલ આવે છે
તીખું નહીં ખાવાનું
Okay. Now, man. It's okay, man. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. You see, how many people finished? 2 minutes? 3 minutes?
કેટલી વારમાં સારા થઈ ગયા 2-3 મિનિટમાં
So
સારું
what is the cause? What is the cause of this problem?
આ પ્રોબ્લેમ મેઇન કારણ શું છે આ પેટ
Food.
ખાવાનું
What food?
ખાવાનું
Acidic food.
એસિડિક ખાવાનું ખાવ તો આ થાય જાય
Oily food.
તેલ વાળું વધારે ખાવ તો થાય
Yes. Too much of salt, too much of sugar.
વધારે પડતું મીઠું ગળ્યું કાપડો થાય.
Don't change this, nobody can help you.
તમે આજે બદલશો કે ખાવાનું ઓછું કરશો નહીં તો કોઈ તમને હેલ્પ નહીં કરી શકે. પાછું આવી જશે.
How much, my friend? Huh? 5. Yourself? Huh?
થોડા નહીં.
Number. I don't want Toda. Huh? This is not Toda. This is very high. How much? 5. Yourself? 5. Okay, 5. Where is your pain? Where is your pain?
Touch.
Touch. Where's your pain? Touch. You see? Move this side. This boys touch the pain. Touch the pain.
જ્યાં દુખાય છે ત્યાં પકડી જ રાખો.
This is simple English, so I am very sad. Touch the pain, don't understand.
જ્યાં દુખે છે ત્યાં પકડો.
Touch the pain. Do you all go to school and learn English?
ઇંગ્લિશ શીખો છો?
No English at all.
સ્કૂલે જઈને બિલકુલ ઇંગ્લિશ નહીં.
No. Teacher, they don't listen in school.
This is Gujarati school, sir. This is Gujarati
One
school.
subject English, no?
English subject નથી? છે ને?
Hey, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no. What answer now?
English.
Do you learn English in
ABCD?
school? This is yes. Hello. Who is the school captain? Who is the school captain?
તમારા સ્કૂલનો કેપ્ટન કોણ છે? મેઇન
Leader.
વોટ?
Leader.
ટીચર મોનિટર ક્લાસ મોનિટર
Okay.
No subject.
after fifth standard.
Okay, madam.
Ask me the Bhagavad English.
He says the children in the school learn English after 5th standard.
યસ
Yes, that is lesson. Okay. Who is after 5th? Who is 5th standard? Number.
પાંચ ધોરણથી ઉપરના કોણ છે?
Ah,
ઇંગ્લિશ આવડે છે ને?
see so many people. Okay,
They are all the
ચાલો
travel.
ચાલો
Go. Okay. Wait. Now, watch. Just now, the instruction was healing won't become as powerful as required to heal the physical stomach. It's here. But now he's not touching the stomach.
હમણાં
This is the intestine.
એમને
This is the large intestine. Stomach is here. So now you must change the program. Change the program. Okay?
એમને પેટ સારું કરવા માટે કીધું છે. પેટ જે દુખે છે ત્યાં છે એ અહીંયા આટલો ડાબર મૂક્યું છે, અહીંયા પેટ છે.
Touch the pain. Touch the pain, madam. See, that's called the stomach. The
Where is the
stomach
pain?
below
He
the
must touch the pain here,
Different place.
not stomach.
So all of you say, where's the pain, sir? Where's the pain?
Pain kaham?
દુખે ક્યાં છે?
Full.
ફૂલ એબડોમન.
Healing one. All of you, healing. No, you know, you're fine. You guys fine. Only this guy. Okay? Now all of you who finish, go sit down.
જે પતિ ગયું તો બસી જાઓ.
Go sit down.
Take the wand.
Go sit down.
Sir, wand.
Sit down. You wait. Hey, don't finish yet. You go sit down. Once come back, please. Once come back.
બધાને આપવાના છે.
Come in, huh? Good. Hey, Abaya, can I run the class, please? Come here, please. Come here. Come here. Stand there. Stand there. Good. Touch the pain.
જ્યાં દુખાવો છે ત્યાં
With one hand, please. One hand,
એક
please.
જ હાથ, એક જ હાથ. જ્યાં દુખાવો છે ત્યાં.
Okay. One hand, please, madam. One hand, please.
ત્યાં દુખે છે તે જ touch.
જ્યાં દુખે છે.
Where's your pain, sir?
દુખાવો ક્યાં છે? He's telling everything.
You go to physical. Go physical.
What I tell you?
This is whole body pain. I say stomach pain.
પેટ નું
Huh? Now,
પેટ નથી.
these children are going to change the program.
છોકરાઓ પ્રોગ્રામ ચેન્જ કર્યો.
Healing more
Healing on.
Become as powerful as required
Become as powerful as required
to heal the pain area
to heal the pain area
where name of the patient
Napolo
is touching.
Sudhir bhai
Is touching.
is touching.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on going.
કર્યા કરો just
Good. Now they change the program. It is not the stomach, somewhere else. But they don't know. Could be small intestine, could be large intestine, could be the duodenum. There are many parts inside. For ladies, you have the uterus, you have the right ovary and left ovary. So this touching and then you know. Let's see what happens, okay? Let's see.
ladies ને
So there's no stomach acidity. Like this panel, you're touching here. That's not a stomach panel. That could be part of the uterus. Could be also part of the small intestine. It's a different thing, but they don't know. So now they're saying, healing on, become this powerful right to heal the pain area where so just touching. It's different. Okay? The abdomen is very big. Stomach is here.
પેટની એરિયા બહુ મોટો છે
Sometimes they also, the last it is starts from here, over here and come down.
મોટું આગળ અહીંયા આવે છે બતાવી
This is small intestine.
નીચે સ્મોલ ઇન્ટેસ્ટાઇન
Now look at the uterus.
નીચે યુટેરસ
So the right ovary and left ovary, this is all taking the problem area. So they try to heal now. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much? 5. Different way.
પ્રોગ્રામ બદલાઈ લો પહેલા ખાલી પેટ
Sit down, madam.
હવે જ્યાં દુખે ત્યાં
Sit
સામે
down.
એવું કહેવામાં આવ્યું
Huh?
ખબર છે
5.
કઈ વસ્તુ
Come
ક્યાં છે
down. Huh? 4. Yourself? 5. Yourself? 4, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now this is more intense. It is not only the gastric pain, something else is also there.
કંઈ પણ હોઈ શકે કે ગેસ સિવાય બધું ચાલુ થઈ રહ્યું છે એનાથી વધારે સારી રીતે
How much, madam?
મેડમ કેટલું
4.
તમારું 9 10 to come to 9 તમારું કમ્પ્લીટ
You have period pain, madam? You have period pain?
તમે પેન લાગે છે
Is it a period pain? You have a period pain. You have a period pain, madam? No, you have no period pain. Not a period pain, huh?
પેલી પેન નથી જરૂર પડવે નથી
How much?
Everybody has 4, 4.
How much? Keep on doing.
કર્યા કરો ચાલો
You inhale, exhale. Keep on doing. Yeah. One big key. Yeah. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it nicely. Go on.
ધીરે ધીરે શાંતિથી કરો
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it nicely, the quick flow, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4,
ધીરે ધીરે કર
1, 2. No, not like this. Make it nicely, Gautami. You go. Slowly, slowly.
ધીરે ધીરે શાંતિથી.
2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. How's the pain?
કેટલું નંબર 3
Keep holding. Don't put like this. Hold.
અડકેલું જ રાખો
How much? 3. It's coming down. It's very bad. Very serious.
ઘણું વધારે હતું દસનું જેન્ટર કરતા કરતા હમણાં તમને
Sometimes got ulcer inside.
અલ્સર એટલે કે અલ્સરથી હોય છે કે ચાંદુ હોય છે
No, no.
એનાથી
Ulcer inside. How doctor find out? We put camera through here. Through here. Yes or no?
પેટમાં
No.
ચાંદુ હોય અલ્સર હોય તો અંદરથી કેમેરા પેટમાં જાય અથવા નીચેથી જાય તો જ ખબર પડે હમણાં ખબર નથી શું
We too much pickles. Doctor put camera inside.
બહુ વધારે પડતા અથાણું ને બધું ખાઓ તારી રીતે પાછળથી
Yeah, okay. What camera put it from inside? very bad. Huh? You must make sure. Don't eat pickles. Pickles no good.
અથાણું બિલકુલ નહીં.
How much, madam? 4. How much? 3. How bad is your pain? What's the problem? Infection. What infection? Food infection. When food infection? Since 5 to 6 years. You eat infected food every day? This man says, I got food infection. You eat infected food every day? Don't simply blame the food. You cannot be eating infected food every day. You can eat infected food every day, you get diarrhea every day.
Doctor said diarrhea.
Diarrhea. Okay, now, you change the program. Healing one,
Healing one.
No, only this.
become as powerful as required. To condition
Condition.
Party physical stomach chakra. Physical
Physical.
stomach chakra.
Chakra.
And you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. How's it feel? Number is 1. This man had paid for 5 years, 6 years, and he said he infected food.
5 વર્ષથી આટલો દુખાવો હતો અને ઇન્ફેક્શન કંઈ બી ખાય તો ડાયરિયા ને એવું બધું થઈ જાય. આજે હમણાં સારું થઈ ગયું.
And you can eat one time infected food, not everyday infected food, isn't it? Yes or no? Huh? So, 1. How much now? 1. Where's your 1? Inhale, exhale. Madam, how much you paid, madam? How much you paid? How much? 0. Hey, get to the girl. You see, you heal somebody who got so much pain. Doctor cannot heal.
ડોક્ટર જેટલું
He said, doctor cannot heal.
તે એના કરતા સારું કરે.
What doctor say? Doctor changed 4 medicine.
ડોક્ટરે 5 વર્ષથી છે 4 દવાઓ બદલી છે આણે આટલી વારમાં સારું કરી દીધું.
Yes or no? He's gonna heal your pain. Now, do not blame the food, do not blame anything, understand? Now, when the pain comes back, you take the one and you heal. You say, healing, it's yourself. You can't be looking for her.
No.
She's the village somewhere, how are you going to look for her?
તમારે જાતે પોતાને જ કરવાનું છે તો એને શું કરવાનું?
I'm just saying that children can all
શું
heal.
કરવાનું? સિમ્પલ.
You say, healing one, become as powerful as required to heal my stomach. And you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop,
Why
1,
we
2.
can healing ourselves?
એ જ તો કહે છે ને.
Of course.
એ જ કહે છે કે જાતે હાથ
You can
મૂકવાનો
touch, you won't touch, doesn't matter. You know where the stomach and you heal stomach, that's all. Listen, my friend.
I all YouTube channel. I all watch your YouTube.
Very good. Now why you never heal?
I got the Spanish girl and
Oh, Spanish girl, you want to make contact, huh? Okay, thank you very much. Say thank you to this girl.
thank you.